You all will agree with me that one of the most difficult challenges we upcoming YouTubers face, we small content creators face, is creating thumbnail. We have been there before. I'm still there, and I know a lot of people experience this challenge. It's one of the most difficult things. Sometimes when I want to create content, just by the thought of thinking about the thumbnail alone discourages me massively. But in this video, I come bearing solutions. I'm going to show you how to make thumbnails like this. All right, you'll be making thumbnails like some of your favorite creators out there. Very straightforward, very easy, and beautiful thumbnails. And there's as you all know, thumbnails really only contribute to getting more views, gives you high click-through rates, because this is the first thing that someone sees when they see your video. Let's say your videos gets recommended, this is the first thing that someone sees, so it decides if they're going to click on it or not. All right, it's very important. And in this video, like I said, I'll be showing you how to design thumbnails, great thumbnails from the comfort of your home with just 2 AIs. You don't need to stress. All right, these AIs are very easy to use. The basic AIs that you use like almost every day to create content. All right, or I'll be showing you how to use these AI tools to generate thumbnails. If you're new here, my name is Gerard. I make it easy for you to see. So I advise you to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, hit that like button. All right, just smash that like button, please. All right, I don't really need to smash that like button. So without wasting much time, let us get down to business.
So we'll be switching to the PC so you'll be able to see everything that is happening. So first thing first, you need to do is to come to your browser. All right, so like I said, we'll be making use of we'll be finding thumbnails from some of your favorite creators. So first thing you need to do is just to come here. I'll be making use all of everything we're going to be doing today. We'll be just basically making use of AI to run all of this. So let's come to YouTube. Okay, so we'll just find some of a thumbnail you want to recreate. It depends on the niche that you're in. So when you find that very thumbnail, you can find some of your favorite creators, the people who basically inspiring you, or some of these thumbnails that when you see like you really like it. So we just find that thumbnail. So but for this video, I'm going to use like a random thumbnail. All right, so let's make use of this thumbnail. Let's make use of this thumbnail. All right, so first thing you need to do is that you need to copy this video, copy the link of this video. Also, we need to download the thumbnail. All right, then we'll come here and search thumbnail downloader. You can click on the first link or any of this link at all. You can use to download it. I don't think any of them should be paid. Click on get image. All right, so here are the options: thumbnail, HD. All right, just download the HD version. All right, it's downloaded. So the next thing you need to do is that you need to come to ChatGPT. All right, this is the first AI tool we'll be making use of today. You need to come here and then paste in this prompt. Don't worry, I'll leave all of the prompt in the description. First of all, you need to upload the thumbnail that we downloaded. So here it is. So we need to upload the thumbnail. We'll let it to upload. Then when it's done uploading, we're going to give it this prompt, this very prompt. Give me the exact prompt for this thumbnail. Then hit enter. All right, so we'll just wait and allow ChatGPT to do its thing. All right, great. I think it's done now. So just so you know, this is from this thumbnail is from someone I know, and I actually basically watch his growth on YouTube, and I'm super proud of him and how far he has come. Okay, so now that you have gotten this here, all right, now that you have gotten this here, what you need to do is that you need to copy this. You need to copy this thumbnail. So you need to copy this prompt that has been given to you here. Then we're going to go to the second AI tool that I'll be making use of for this video today. So we'll come to Ideogram. Ideogram.ai is a tool that you can use to create pictures. So what you want to do is that you just come here and paste the prompt that you got here. All right, so pay attention to this place. Then you're going to come here for this aspect ratio. For YouTube, it's 16 by 9. So you have to come and change your aspect ratio here. All right, so we change your aspect ratio here just in case, so that when you create your thumbnail is going to come out well. So you can just go through this you can go through this whole thing right now, this prompt here, and then change some of the things that you want. All right, so you can see here it's a rush hour running funny moments. You can change that into something that you want. You can change the colors here, the write up. You get like, and you can just basically just edit it and include some of the things that you want it to be. And you can change like I hear they said use a dark gradient background with up to grid. You can just change it to maybe probably a light background. You can just play around it and then find what you want. Okay, so when you're done, just click on generate. So you're going to wait. It's going to take a few seconds, then it's going to generate 4 different thumbnails for you. Generate 4 different thumbnails for you. Mind you, put it in mind that this they give you basically when you create a account with Ideogram, they give you 12 credits. So we can for each thumbnail that you generate, we're going to take out 2 credit from it. So as you can see here, we have our thumbnails. Can't you see how close it is to what we got there? It's like super close. It's super close. See, comes out perfectly. Almost perfect. So when you find one that you find, when you go through them and you see the one that you like and you find attractive, all you have to do is just to come here, then you're going to download it from here. All right, you can download it. You can there are different qualities here. Though you can download it here. All right, so basically they're telling you that for you to download the 100% quality, you need to pay. You need to be a premium user, but that doesn't matter. All right, so all you have to do is just to sorry, all you have to do is just to come here and download the file, the available one. So I'm going to show you how you're going to upscale this very file. Okay, let us open it and see how the file looks. I'll open it and see how the file looks. If the quality is not okay, then I'll show you how to actually increase the quality. But as you can see, the quality isn't bad. The quality came out very perfectly. It came out way too perfectly. So, but however, if you feel that the quality is not doesn't really make sense, here's another trick that you're going to make. All right, instead of going to go and look for other website online to upscale the image, what you need to do is just to come to ChatGPT here, then upload the thumbnail, the one that you chose. Upload the thumbnail here. Then you're going to give it this prompt: enhance to 4K, and then the ChatGPT is going to enhance this image to 4K and give it one of the best quality that you're looking for. Probably one of the best quality. It's going to be in 4K. It's going to be very, very nice. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you find this useful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification. Thank you so much for watching.
So if you found this video useful, you found this video interesting, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, like this video, and drop a comment in the comments. Drop a comment in the comment section below. All right, let us grow together as small content creators that we are. All right, let us all grow together. You can just comment, let's grow, or anything that comes to your mind. All right, just on this video. If you experience any challenges while trying to make thumbnails like I showed in this video, just drop in the comment section below, and I'll do my possible best to attend to you guys. All right, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.